Hello YouTube friends, Wildcat Piper here coming back at you. Hope you guys are having a wonderful evening here in Lexington. It's a little bit on the chilly side. Here's how crazy it is. Tonight it's supposed to be in the teens. Tomorrow morning is supposed to be in the teens. Tomorrow afternoon is supposed to be 55. So it's like freezing cold to very pleasant. We have had a lot of rain, so that kind of tends to keep things a little warm. But it hasn't rained today, and it got cold, cold, cold. So I'm out here in the Wildcat Lounge, smoking on a Missouri Meerschaum corn cob. And in it, I'm smoking a sample of a blend that I got from my good friend Alec, stay-at-home piper, who I received yesterday a package from him, and he put in there 20 blends of tobacco. 20 blends. And I cannot tell you how excited I was when I started looking at these. I have already pulled each and every one of these out. I have opened up each and every one of these, and I have smelled each and every one of these, and it is fantastic. So I'm not going to pull it out here and show you each individual blend, but what I am going to do is I'm going to spread these blends out on my kitchen table, and I'm going to take a brief video of it to show you what Alec got for me, and I'm going to insert that video right here. Well, here is my Backy Bomb. Alec, you sent me a whole bunch of McClellans. There's a whole bunch of McClellans. A lot of blends here I cannot wait to try. Down here is Peter Stokkebye's. I'm really looking forward to trying some of that. Here's some McBaron's Virginia Flake. There's the Lakeland blend. Yep, gang, that's what came to me today. Is that not a beautiful sight? So thanks again there, Alec. What'd you guys think of that? That was kicking. So, very excited to get that. But all those blends, this is the one I chose for tonight. It is McClellan's 5100 red cake, and it is there's no topping on it, but I must say it is a fantastic blend, and I'm so excited I got this blend. Now I know a lot of people use this blend to as a Virginia component when they're blending other tobaccos. It is a straight Virginia. There's no topping in it, which makes for a great blending component because the topping won't mask anything. You'll just get the richness of the Virginias along with whatever you blend it with. It's good. Um, a lot of people say that Virginias give them tongue bite, and I've not smoked enough of those to see if that's true or not. But what I will say is this one is very mild and does very well. It is just a very mild tobacco. Drinking a little bit of water tonight. Actually, I've been drinking a lot of water. About a gallon to a gallon and a half a day. Alec, I was very excited when I got this blend. When I got your package, and when I got this blend. He just sent a letter here to me, and it just simply tells me that he sent these blends, different blends, different Virginias for me to try. He tells us that he's been taking this same kind of Virginia trip, and he says to this point he really enjoys it. And so he also told me that he put in there a Lakeland blend. And those of you who know anything about Lakeland blends know that they can, and people say they have ghosted their pipes. I've never smoked a Lakeland blend, but I got a pipe already picked out. It's a brand spanking new Missouri Meerschaum pipe, and I think it will work quite well. And so what do I think about this blend? This is my first pipe of it, and I will say this, in my professional opinion, it tastes like going up into my grandma's attic and smelling all of her old books. I bet nobody has said that to you about a Virginia. But it's got kind of a musty, old feeling to it. And I really enjoy it. I get no tongue bite. And you guys know my cadence is super fast. I get no tongue bite. I get nothing but just a very mild smoke. And if this is what the Virginias taste like, I am going to enjoy this journey very much. I'm looking forward to more of these blends, Alec, that you've sent me. And just thanks again so much. I've got Return Fire coming back to you. I hope you really enjoy cigars. I'm going to send some of that. Of course, I'm going to send you some Englishes. I know you like Englishes, and I do have some aromatics I'm going to send you because I know you like aromatics as well. So I will get that together and get that out to you, my friend. I told my brother about it tonight, Alec, and he was stoked. I don't know why he's stoked. No, I will share this with him. And he was really excited about the red cake. So I've just got to make sure I save him at least one bowl. Maybe half a bowl. But we will enjoy this. You know, we've got our cruise coming up in March. It's a little different this year because you can't smoke on your deck, your private deck. You got to go up on the Lido deck. So that's a bummer. And but what do you do, you know? Well, I'm going to get off here. On my next video, I'm going to talk about a few pipes I just got in estate pipes I got. I bought 3 of them for 16 bucks. All no names. I just wanted, I don't know what I was thinking. 2 of them are kind of ragged out. One of them actually is pretty nice. I think it's got a good spot in my rotation, maybe working into that. But they need cleaned up and conditioned, sanded, and maybe a salt treatment on 2 of them. But I'll show you those pipes in my next video. Hope you guys have a great night. Thank you again, my friend Alec, stay-at-home piper. If you guys haven't subbed him, do that. He's a super awesome guy. Most of you on the YTPC know exactly who I'm talking about. So thank you, Alec. I tip my pipe to you. Hope you guys have a great night. Blow some smoke rings in the air, but above all, be blessed. Have a great night. And Alec, the return fire is coming, my friend. Talk to you soon.